Hello and welcome everyone to this video on integrating ABAP with other SAP modules by ZaranTech. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from us.
So hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the concept of integrating ABAP with other SAP modules. That is, how we can use our ABAP programming or ABAP features or ABAP object and how we can integrate them with other SAP modules also, so that we can achieve the requirement of our customers. Now see, integrating ABAP with other SAP modules is a common requirement to ensure smooth data flow. In simple word, this is a common requirement why this requirement is essential to ensure smooth data flow from ABAP module to other SAP module. And it also helps in functional collaboration across different parts of the SAP system. So it also helps in functional collaboration across different parts of the SAP system. Now see, below are the various methods and examples of how ABAP can be used to integrate with other SAP modules. Then the first way is using RFC. Now what is this RFC? RFC is nothing but a remote function called function modules. That these are a second kind of function modules which we have available in SAP ABAP system. And these function modules allow us to, we can use these function modules from other SAP system also. And this is a particular example how we can use it. The example is calling a function module in another SAP system. So define the remote enabled function module from SE37. Then we need to set the processing type to RFC, remote enabled module. That is, then call the function module from the ABAP code. This is how we call our function module, and we provide the RFC destination where we want to use it. Suppose this is my exporting and importing parameter of the function module which you have given. Then we have the second way using BAPIs. BAPIs are nothing but remote function module plus business object. That's why they are also known as business application programming interface. They are the interface for which are the used for efficient data migration techniques. Now see, suppose I want to create a sales order in SD module. So we can use the BAPI here. We can use BAPI sales order create format too, and we can pass the given data. And after that, we need to perform BAPI transaction commit. So what is the use of BAPI? BAPI are simply used for efficient data migration. That is, suppose you want to migrate data from any module, any SAP module to ABAP. Then what you will do? You will simply use the concept of BAPIs. And here you will provide the header details, and here you will provide the item details. And in return, you will get the messages that if success or failure, whatever the message for each record, you will get in this particular return parameter. And after that, we need to call BAPI transaction commit to commit the transaction. Then we can use IDOCs. IDOCs stands for intermediate document, and this particular, it is basically a format of data. So suppose you want to transfer data from SAP to SAP or non-SAP to SAP or SAP to non-SAP, then these are a special kind of format or simply a container in which you can store the data and you can transfer your data using this concept. So sending an IDOC from MM to FI. Now see, create IDOC type. So we need to define our IDOC structure from WE30. Then we can configure the partner profile using transaction code WE20. Then we can send the IDOC from ABAP using master IDOC distribute function module. And here we will pass the parameters and required data. So these are some efficient ways how we can integrate ABAP with other SAP modules. And what is the meaning of integrating ABAP with other SAP modules? It simply means that the exchanging of data in a smooth way, and also we can collaborate with other consultants which belong from other SAP modules. Okay, so this is all about integrating ABAP with other SAP modules. So Thank you very much.